Good morning, everybody. Namaste. Good morning. I hope you're having a good time, enjoying the lockdown period. Okay, yeah. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Margaret. Good to see you here. Just give me a thumbs up if you can hear me clearly, you can see me clearly. Just give me a thumbs up, please. Hello, good morning. Hi. Yeah, I can. Yeah, just give me a thumbs up. I hope everyone can just see me clearly. They can hear me clearly. There is, the voice is enough. Yeah, so good morning. The Instagram family, the Facebook family, Anytime Fitness of Anytime Fitness, and welcome here. Welcome for today's session. All right, thank you. Thank you so much. Can I just get a thumbs up from the Facebook team as well? Thank you, thank you. I'm good, Devendraji. Thank you so much. Good morning. All right. So I hope those who have joined us on Facebook are able to see clearly. Yes, yes. All right. Yes, I can see you too. Okay, so are we all ready with the maths today? Okay, and so let's just close our eyes, sit and connect, start connecting with ourselves. Good morning. Thank you so much. Yes, we are good to go. Sitting on the mat, keeping your spirits high, your energy level high. Keeping your eyes closed, sitting comfortably. As I told you in the last session, you can just place a pillow beneath. Yeah, you could just place a cushion beneath the hip. That will help your spine to get elongated and you will be able to sit straighter. Okay, so gently closing your eyes, taking 3 deep breaths. I'm inhaling from nose, exhaling from my mouth with the ha sound. Alright, inhale. Again, inhale deep. Inhale deep. Yes, just feel the connect as my eyes are closed. Just feel the connect with the mat. I'm sitting in Sukhasana. Just feel the connect with the mat. Also, we are trying to look in. We are just trying to stop whatever is maybe, coming thoughts, whatever thoughts are coming to us as a loop. So let's just shun them for a few minutes. Let them stay where they are. And just focus on your inner self, your body and your breath. Taking Om 3 times. Inhale. Let the vibrations be with you. Let it hum. Inhale. Inhale. Feel the calmness. Okay. Rubbing your palms, placing it on your face. You can blink your eyes. Just blink your eyes and We will be just starting. Let's start coming up. Yes, sitting here this way in Vajrasana. So, yes, open your eyes gently and let's come up here this way in Vajrasana. Just activating the legs here. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale. 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 Just activating the legs in Vajrasana. Now sit in Vajra. An important posture. Why? Because this works on your digestion. And for those who are, not maybe beginners, so they can just try doing as per the level. Just respect the level that you are in. So with regular practice, you would be able to, perform much better. So, but right now, just listen to your body. Do as per what your body allows. Just follow the instructions, and that's all. Alright, so we're sitting in Vajrasana. In Vajrasana, I hope everyone knows that your big toe is together. We discussed last time. Also, because it's a session, of course, I'll be taking progressively. You will be moving progressively in the session. So I'm taking this as a continuous session from the last one. Those who have been attending regularly, wonderful. For those who are beginners who have come for the first time, so I'll repeat myself. Please stick to your limits, and if you have never practiced, just watch and go according to your body, listening to your body. So now we are sitting beneath, between the heels for Vajrasana. Now this is working entirely on your digestion. You can do this post your food as well. So whenever the calves are pressed, the digestion becomes better. Yeah? Alright, so let's come up and sit, activating our legs some more, sitting this way in Malasana. So I'm pushing my knees out, again activating the legs. I'm pushing my knees out with my elbows, my spine is straight. 1, 2, 3. Those who are having problems sitting, those who are having maybe an issue, they could maybe just go to a wall and keep this handy. Everybody has the cushion handy. You can place the cushion beneath the heel. ठीक है? जिन लोगों का heel नहीं लग रहा है नीचे in Malasana, you can place the cushion beneath the heels and then push downward. Heel से उसको पीछे की तरफ push करते हैं. Alright? Okay. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Wonderful. Inhale. Come up. Stretch up. Standing, stretch up first. Tadasana. Inhale, arms up. Stretch your arms up. And I'm pulsing here 30 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4. My heels are together, my toes are together. 5, 6, keep going please. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Release. Alright, so you would be feeling a burn here on the calves now. Yeah? After this? Okay, good job. Stretching towards the right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right and left. 5. Arms खींच के रखो. 6, 7. Spine खींची हुई. 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4. Just keep your chin up. We are not pressing the chin down at all. Okay, relax. Good job, guys. Change. We are now doing this one. Inhalation, exhalation, forward fold and a backward. Just warming up our spine with different motions. Placing your hand here at the sides. Inhale. exhale. Inhale, you can go a back bend, exhale, a forward bend. We are just warming up the spine. Go back, exhale, forward, inhale, back, exhale, forward, inhale, back, exhale, forward, inhale, back, exhale, forward. Now, I'm adding a variation to this. Grip your palms like this. Inhale, go back. So this will be a little more intenser. Exhale, forward, flat back. Inhale, go back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Pull it down. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Pull it downward. Yes, chest is open. Back bending. Exhale, forward. Inhale, last one. Exhale. And now stay there. Just stay there. 1, 2, 3. I'm pushing the hip backward. 4, 5. Flat back position. Bring flatness in your spine. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Stay there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So make sure that while you're pushing your hip backward, your thigh muscle, the quads are lifted up. ऊपर की तरफ जितना quads को खींचेंगे, आपकी knees की strength बनी रहेगी. साथ में आपकी knees मुड़ेंगे भी नहीं. And this is the flat back position. So for those who are beginners, you can always do this. Rather, I would suggest everybody to do this daily, because this is one pose where your spine gets straightened. You know, as if we iron करते हैं, crease हट जाता है. Creases, to remove the creases from the clothes. Same way, you can use a wall to do this. So I can just go to the wall this way and do this for beginners. Okay, taking the support of the wall. Press your hands and do this daily. The reason, and also excellent for those who are working from their chair, corporate employees, क्योंकि आपकी spine को सीधा होना ज़रूरी है. हम पूरा दिन chair पे बैठते हैं, hunch होने लग जाता है. You see the roundedness of the spine that happens. So that is all. That is called kyphosis of the spine, the hunching back from the center of the thoracic. So this is a very important and very easy posture to just straighten your back. Do this daily. Alright, you can do it daily. Okay, next. So we are coming to chair pose. We are coming to chair pose, Utkatasana. My legs are at shoulder level, hands are diagonal. So I'll be doing it in 3 sections. 1, I'm just bending this one. Okay, this much. 1, 2, 3, dipping your hip. 4, not your spine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep breathing. 10. Dip a little more down. Second section. 1, a little bit more. 2, 3. Yes, about 70. 4, 5, 6, hip down. 7, 8, just activating the quads. 9, 10, keep breathing. Now dip more down. Those who have knee issue बस वहीं पे रुकिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. चलिए नीचे. 1, 2, dip more down. 3, legs a little wide. 4, 5, keep breathing. 6, 7, wonderful, keep going guys. 8, 9, and 10. Okay. You should be feeling a burn here at the quads. Relax, few breaths. Take a deep breath. And now I'm coming for movement of the spine. Okay. So this is called Sarvang Pushti. So again, this is excellent if you have less time. Plus, you're feeling stiff in your upper body. So what you can do with less time, giving the spine all sorts of movements. So this works wonderfully. So like this, muthi band. The distance between your legs is a little more than the shoulders. Toes pointing forward. Now you can watch me first. I'm going to the left. My hands are like sticking, as if my ears and my hands are together. Chipak gaye. Now exhale down. Inhale, making a D from the back. exhale, inhale, make a D from the back, exhale, inhale, make a D, arching, exhale. Yes, better go slow. Go back again. Fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale. And 10. Last one. You have to get this D formation, arching, C, semicircle from the back. Yes. So feel the elongation. If you do not keep your hands this way, then you might feel dizzy. So that's why it's mandatory to keep your hands tight like this. Yeah. So my head was just kind of tied up in between my arms. Just release. Take few breaths to just cool down. If you are feeling breathless. So the idea is not to go to the next posture if you are feeling breathless. Alright? Okay. So, next, just find a wall. Find a wall. You can just go close to the wall. And we are just doing a hamstring stretch with the wall. So, just to, open up the hams a bit. Okay? Alright. So, this is a yoga session. This is for Pulkitji. This is yoga session that's happening. Alright. So, we are just gonna I'm just gonna place my right leg on the wall. Alright. Placing my right leg on the wall and just giving a side stretch. So, now, lift the left arm and try to touch. Touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure कि आपका जो घुटना है वो सीधा रहे. खींच के रखो ताकि हैमस्ट्रिंग पे नीचे स्ट्रेच मिलता रहे. एंड स्ट्रेच. तो ये साइड स्ट्रेच भी मिल रहा है आपको. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Change. Good job, guys. Just go to the wall, take the other leg. Okay. Yeah, we would of course work on the entire body. We will work on the entire body. Yes. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Now take the other leg and just go 1, 2, 3, stretch, 4. So I am maintaining the leg. I am not bending it. उसको tight करके कर रहे हैं. 5, 6. Yeah, keep going and release. Okay. चलिए. So just relax, breathless अगर हो रहे हैं सांस लीजिए. Okay. Now coming to tree pose or vrikshasana, but today's variation will be that we are just making a namaskar from the back. Okay. So this is the namaskar. विपरीत नमस्कार बना रहे हैं पीछे से. ठीक है. और पहले हमने क्या करना है. फर्स्ट राइट लेग को टाइट करिए. थाई मसल ऊपर खींच के. Bringing the left leg up and making a namaskar from the back. Yes, 1, 2, 3, hold it, 4. So whenever you are balancing on a single leg, always focus in front. आंखों का फोकस एक जगह पे स्टिक कर दीजिए. 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, release. Okay, good job. Change. So again, this was the variation, Vipreet Namaskar in tree pose. Okay, I am straightening my left leg, tight कर दिया left को, right leg को मोड़ के, I am placing the heel in the groin. Make sure that आपका जो knee है वो ऐसा नहीं side की तरफ जा रहा है, ठीक है, side की तरफ. Now, Namaskar and hold. 1, 20 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, focus on a point, 2, 1, and release. So whenever we are in a balancing pose on a single leg, make sure that your focus of your eyes is intact, and at the same time your toe is in the mat. Alright, thigh muscle, the quads are pulled up, the toe is gripping the mat. Okay, alright, so guys, we are coming for Surya Namaskars. So just because these are the best to open up the body, to bring energy. If you're feeling tired, I would say just practice Surya Namaskar. Okay, so usually what happens, people say, okay, no, we are tired, we don't want to exercise. Just practice Surya Namaskars, only few rounds, and I'm sure you will be feeling much more active. There would be energy building in your body. All the chakras start balancing. So that's the wonderful, that's the, you know, the beauty of Surya Namaskars. So for those who have joined us now, those who are joining now, we are doing Surya Namaskar. So the basic Surya Namaskar I am taking. Alright, and those who are beginners, for those who have never had experienced a Namaskar first, so this is a flow of 12 postures together with correct breathing, inhalation and exhalation simultaneously. So it's a set means कि हम दोनों लेग से करते हैं, राइट लेग से करते हैं, लेफ्ट से करते हैं. Alright, तो उसका मतलब वो एक साइकिल बना. Alright, so my arms, just watch the steps and continue with me, those who are beginners. Alright, so my arms, elbows are down, hands in Namaskar. Inhale, arms up, my toes are together, right? Inhale, arms up, arching back. Exhale, coming down. Those who are not able to come down, they can stay here. Those who are having a back issue can come stay here. Practitioners can place their hands down. Keep pulling your thigh muscle up. Yes, your hands are down. Alright, so now lifting my right leg. Lifting my right leg and putting the knee down. Okay, so this is Ashwi Sanchalan. Make sure that your chest is forward, chest सामने है. बहुत ज़रूरी है chest को सामने होना. Yeah, chest open. Change. Lift yourself up, taking the left leg back. Come to mountain pose. Heels pushed back. Alright, mounting. So body weight पीछे की तरफ डालिए अपने heels पे ताकि आपके calves पे stretch आए. So for now, for those who are not able to put their heels down, for them, do this. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this drill will place your calves on the mat gradually. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I hope you can see my toes. How I'm moving my toes. 9, 10. Okay, great. Coming to a plank here. So I'm adding a plank here. Engage. Only for 10 counts, guys. 10, 9. Engage your abdomen. Hip को squeeze करिए, core को engage रखिए. Plank आपका ऐसा नहीं होगा, ऐसा भी नहीं होगा. It's a straight one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep breathing. 8, 9, and 10. Dip. Knees down. Ashtanga. Chest chin down. The chest and chin go down. Navel is up. Slide up. Slide up to Bhujang. So now I'm just folding my elbows. ठीक है? ये है for strength. मैंने बताया था लास्ट वीक, दिस इज फॉर स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ योर स्पाइन. एल्बोज को फोल्ड करिए, टोज पीछे से फ्लैट हैं. एल्बोज विद योर बॉडी, चेस्ट इज ओपन, शोल्डर्स आर बैक डाउन. ऑलराइट, वंडरफुल. इनहेल, आर्म्स अप एंड अप. माउंटेन पोज. जस्ट गोइंग बैक, जैसे हम आए थे वैसे ही जा रहे हैं. नाउ राइट लेग फॉरवर्ड, प्लेसिंग द नी डाउन. सो अब मेरा जो घुटना है वो हील के साथ है, इनकॉन्ग्रुएंस, इट्स स्ट्रेट, राइट. सो फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ अस व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट दिस हैपेंस, आपका पैर पीछे रह जाता है, हाथ आगे रह जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो उसको कैसे करेक्ट करेंगे? या हाथ को पीछे ले जाइए और पैर थोड़ा सा पीछे लेके जाइए एडजस्ट करने के लिए पोजिशन को, राइट. और यू कैन मे बी ब्रिंग योर लेग फॉरवर्ड. सो नाउ दैट मीन्स लिफ्ट द लेफ्ट लेग अप forward. You can make your knees a little bit softer here for the beginners. Inhale, arms up, stretch. So another common mistake is कि हम यहाँ पे हंच करते हुए आते हैं ऊपर. नहीं, आपने यहाँ पे सीधा स्ट्रेटन करना है स्पाइन को and then come up for the intensity of the pose. Arch back. Relax. Okay, so second round. So now we'll do with the left. So any questions with this, please type. So I'll be answering them later. Any confusions in the postures for Surya Namaskar? So you can, beginners, please check and then do. All right. So elbows with the side. Inhale, arms up, arching back. Exhale. Left leg उठाइए. Place it up. My knee and my heel making a right angle in a straight line. Chest open, shoulders are back. No hunching here. Change. Lift. Go back to mountain pose. Again, जिनके heels नहीं लग रहे हैं उसको पीछे push करिए. 1, 2, ऐसे push करिए. 3, keep doing this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come to a 20-second plank now, guys. Plank is not here, but I am adding it for your core strengthening. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down. So my navel is up, hip is up. Ashtang, Naman. Slide forward. Inhale and just stay here. So now there is no weight on my hands. No weight on the hands. Just stay here. 1, 2, 3. पीछे से पंजे दबाइए मैट में. 4, 5. And now inhale up. Chest open, shoulders back. Mounting. Left leg forward. Yes, adjust it. Just adjust it. जिनका पैर सीधा नहीं आया उसको adjust करिए. Right knee is down. Now bring it up. Knees can be softer. Inhale, arms up, arching back. Yes, arch back. Do not stop your breath here. Exhale. In Namaskar. Okay, good job, people. So I guess you would be already sweating, though it was just 2 that we did. Yeah. All right. So let's come to my lesson from here. As I told you earlier, the heels should be on the mat. अगर आपकी heels नीचे नहीं लगी हैं तो cushion को नीचे place करिए, heels उस पे press करिए. Practice ऐसे होगी. Regularity and practice, of course, they bring you to a very much better position from where you started. But discipline, regularity is the key, guys. Okay, so let's come to Vajrasan. Okay, yeah, so let's coming to, so we are just coming doing one variation with Vajrasan. Okay, so this was a Vajrasan, हम ऐसे आ गए हैं, ठीक है. अब हमने क्या करना है, राइट, अगर जिनको भी नी प्रॉब्लम है वो अपने मैट को फोल्ड कर लीजिए और इस तरीके से रखिए beneath the knees. ओके, जिनको भी नी इशू है. सो आई एम जस्ट होल्डिंग with my right hand I am holding my right foot, उसको ऊपर ला रही हूँ, लगाने की कोशिश, पेल्विक फॉरवर्ड रहेगा आपका, लगाने की कोशिश है हील को हिप में. ओके, हील को हिप में लगाने की कोशिश. एंड नाउ I am lifting my left hand and going back, arching back, back bend, hold 10, 9, 8, yes, keep trying guys, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Okay, alright, let's change. Now take the other leg, keep trying, even if you're not able to touch it, but keep trying, that's okay. Now I'm folding my left leg, लेफ्ट टो को हमने हिप में, हील, लेफ्ट हील को हिप में दबाया. ओके, राइट हैंड इज अप, बैकवर्ड बेंड, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. So this was a backward bend. At the same time we were just, with this we were getting a good stretch on the quads. Yeah, all right, good job people. Just relax, sitting at ease. And now let's do something for the shoulders, for the stiff upper body, also those who want to tone down their shoulders. So let's come to a dolphin 1, a dolphin pose. So for this we are just going this way, coming to a triangle, making a triangle. Yeah, making a triangle. Elbows पे आइए, elbows पे आ जाइए, triangle बना के. Legs में shoulder level gap है. Okay, so make sure now that your, the chin goes out of your grip. आर्म्स की, ये हाथ की ग्रिप से चिन आगे जा रहा है, ठीक है, वो देखिए. 1 and chest in, 2 chest in, 3 chest in, 4 chest in, 5 chest in, 6 chest in, 7 chest in, 8 chest in, good going, 9 chest in, 10 chest in, 10 chest in. We are moving the shoulders, hip को नहीं move करें, hip अपने आप move हो जाएगा. 7 chest in, 6 chest in, all the weight is on your forearms people. 5 in, 4 in, 3 in, 2 in, 1 in. Release it, relax, rest in Shashank. Rest in Shashank. So this is Shashank. Hip पीछे की तरफ पुश होता है, आर्म्स आगे स्ट्रेच होते हैं. This is Shashankasana. Excellent for just relaxation. Extension दे रहे हैं आपकी स्पाइन को, हिप को, टाइट हिप को रिलैक्सेशन दे रहा है. Yes, stay there. चलिए, next, moving further for the shoulders. Again, now coming this way, elbows, ठीक है, जैसे हम headstand जो लोग करते हैं वो जानते हैं, जो नहीं करते हैं मे बी इट्स न्यू फॉर देम। जस्ट वॉच, एल्बोज को आप ग्रिप करेंगे, आर्म्स को और एल्बोज को फिर हिलाएंगे नहीं, ये आपका मेजरमेंट है। ओपन अप योर हैंड्स, ग्रिप इट दिस वे, ओके। नाउ प्लेसिंग योर हेड डाउन, क्राउन नीचे लगाइए कैविटी में, और हिप को ऊपर उठाते हुए आगे आगे वॉक करा, या 1 वॉक बैक, 2 वॉक एज फार एज यू कैन, वॉक बैक। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ प्री प्रैक्टिस फॉर हैंड स्टैंड। 3 आगे आइए, वॉकिंग बैक, 4 वॉकिंग बैक, यस कीप ट्राइंग, 5 अगर किसी को सर्वाइकल पेन हो रहा है वो इसको छोड़ देगा, 6 और आइए आगे, बैकवर्ड, 7 वंडरफुल, गो बैक, 8 वॉक, 4 आर्म्स पे प्रेशर बना रहे, लास्ट 2 वॉक फॉरवर्ड, गो बैक, and the last one keep walking, relax, knees down, again relax in Shashank, stretch, relaxing in Shashankasana. Yes, so this was a practice that we did for doing a Shirshasana or a headstand. All right. Next, so while we are already in Shashank, we will just do another one for the shoulders. So guys, since we are focusing more, though we are focusing taking the entire body, but we are doing few drills which are going to strengthen your shoulders. Alright, so this is all a part of it. Stretch, पीछे आए शशांकासन में, यहाँ से स्लाइड करेंगे हम 10 टाइम्स, स्लाइड करते हुए जाएंगे आगे भुजंगासन. Alright, cobra. So pull yourself back in Shashank, slide up, 1, back, 2, slide up, the chest should be down, no shortcuts please, back, slide up, back, slide up, cobra, yes, chest out, shoulders are always back, slide, 5, go back, 6, go back, 7, toes are flat from the back, chest out, shoulders back, go to Shashank, stretch, 8, keep breathing, always inhale when you're coming in cobra, go back, 9, inhale, chest out, go back, and 10, relax in Shashank, yes, 10, just relax there, relax, few seconds, catch your breath, 3 deep breaths करिए वहाँ पे, take a sip of water if you want. Okay, great going guys. Yeah, hi Gunjan, hi everyone. Let me just answer the questions shortly if you have more. Okay, so next we are just coming from mountain to a plank again. Make sure आप जितनी भी hand drills करते हैं उसमें आपका हाथों पे आपके हाथ खुले हों, fingers are wide open, the weight is equally distributed on all the mounds of your hand, right? So these are the mounds of your hand. The weight is equal here, the weight is here. नहीं तो हम लोग यूजुअली क्या करते हैं, फिंगर्स पे तो वेट डालते ही नहीं है, हमारा वेट सिर्फ यहाँ पे सेंट्रल रहता है. सो डू नॉट सेंटर योर वेट हियर, जस्ट spread your weight all on your hand and also on the fingertips, right? So that your wrist doesn't get hurt at all. Okay, so coming to a mountain, to a plank, and again 10 times simply. 1, engage your core here constantly. 2 to mountain, 3, back to mountain, 4, back to mountain, 5, abdomen engaged rakhiye, 6, back to mountain, 7, back to mountain, 8, mountain, 9, mountain, 10, mountain again, dip your knees, relax Shashankasana. Yes, just relax. Take 3 deep breaths here while you relax in Shashank. Okay. All right. So, coming this way. Well, I'll see you every day on Thursday, every week on Thursday. Yeah, at 9 a.m. Okay. So, see, of course, if you want to see a difference in you, you want to see a cleanliness of your postures, you have to regular with your practice and discipline. So, see you every Thursday at 9 a.m. And you will see a difference in yourself whenever you practice a modality regularly. Okay, ये नहीं कि एक दिन करा फिर एक महीने बाद करा. Alright guys? Okay, so coming and sitting this way, I'm just raising. So there's a lot we have done for the core and also for the back. But next, I'm just taking a bow pose. So, staying, balancing on your hip. So for the beginners, you could stay this way. Alright, stay this way. For the beginners. For practitioners, just take a bow pose. Engage your abdomen. You can engage your core. Hold for 10. Focus on your toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be there on your sit bones. 7. पीछे नहीं गिरना. 8, 9, 10. Placing your heels down. Stretch up. और आ रहे हैं for Paschimottanasana. Prepare yourself for Paschimottanasana. So, stretch your hands up. Now this works wonderfully for the knees. Alright? Heels are out, the toes are in. Heel out, toe in. ये position रहेगा. ताकि और आपके thigh muscle ऊपर की तरफ. So, आपने stretch करना है. Make sure कि आपने hunching नहीं करनी है spine में. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Keep stretching. Maintain that stretch. So, once you feel that नहीं यही मेरी limit है, आप चाहे वही रुक जाइए. Or you can have whenever you are coming for the session, आप एक cushion लेके आइए अपने साथ रखिए as a prop. You can even get a band if you have. You can even get a dupatta. So for beginners, stay there ताकि मेरी spine hunch ना हो. हमें ये नहीं चाहिए कि आप आगे आने के लिए अपनी spine को पूरा round करेंगे. That is not gonna work. Okay? So those who can just hold your big toes. Spine की elongation देखिए, strengthening. So this is good for the knees. पर अगर आपके घुटने मोड़ रहे हैं तो वो impact नहीं आएगा hamstrings पर. Heel out करिए, toe in. Big toe को पकड़ के रखा है. Alright? So practitioners can move forward. Beginners can just stay here. Alright. That's so nice. So nice to hear that you are working out regularly. I appreciate the discipline. Alright. Bring your hands up. Stretch again. And release. So coming down for a little cooling down. And do it just towards the last section of a session. Let's come to Setu Bandha bridge pose. So this is a posture that we should be practicing. You can even do this on the bed. See what relaxation it brings to the spine. Guys, a fit body is any day better than a skinny or a lean body. That's what I believe in. Yeah, because if you are having a pain here and there, you would not be motivated to work out. You would not be motivated to do your routine jobs, to cook, to do anything. Yeah. So make sure that we aim first at fitness from within. So of course yoga balances both mental as well as the physical fitness. So that's why just be regular. That's my only request, that be regular. And now coming back to Setu Bandha. Lifting the hip up. Yes, lifting the hip up. The pelvic is up, hip को squeeze करिए, and now let's bring your hands up as well. Yeah, just tweaking this a bit. हिप को स्क्वीज करा हुआ है, pelvic ऊपर उठाया हुआ है, हाथों को ऊपर और नीचे लिफ्ट करते हैं. चलिए सिंपल है ये. 1 2 pelvic ऊपर रखो. 3 4 keep breathing. 5 6 7 8 9 10. Stay there. Now another variation in this, guys. I'm lifting my left leg up. 1 down, 2 down. Hands are there itself. 3. Maintain the position of the pelvic. Pelvic dip नहीं करेंगे. 5 down, 6 down, 7 down. Pelvic lift down. 8 works wonderfully on the spine. 9 down, 10 down, and slowly dip. Slowly. Just dip and catch hold. Hug yourself, hugging your knees. Knees को chest पे दबाइए and rolling. 1 2 roll कर रहे हैं. 3. So this is massaging your spine. 4 5 6 7 8 9. Keep going. And 10. Okay. Next we are coming to fish. We are coming to fish pose. Matsya. So we are coming on our elbows. Elbows पे आइए और सर को इस तरीके से नीचे मोड़ेंगे कि हमारा जो क्राउन है वो नीचे लगे. Alright, so the crown is down. Crown is down. So for additional support, you can place your hands at the side of your head. कानों के दाएं बाएं रख सकते हैं हाथ को. ठीक है, क्राउन को नीचे लगाइए. Now this works excellent for cervical. Opens up the thyroid gland. Stay there. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4. Stay there, guys. 3 2 1 and release. Just release. Okay, so now bring both your knees together. दोनों नीज को राइट लेके जाते हैं, पर पहले गैप करेंगे दोनों में. ठीक है, गैप कर देते हैं. सो नाउ आई एम टेकिंग माय लेफ्ट नी टूवर्ड्स द राइट डायरेक्शन एंड इट इज टचिंग माय राइट हील. मेरा लेफ्ट नी राइट हील को टच कर रहा है. ओके, शोल्डर्स हैव टू बी डाउन. इंपॉर्टेंट, तभी आपको स्पाइन में जो ट्विस्ट है वो फील होगा. बहुत सारे पोस्चर्स में जहाँ पे हम बैक बेंडिंग कर रहे हैं, आवर चेस्ट इज ओपनिंग. जितनी बार आप चेस्ट ओपन कर रहे हैं, योर हार्ट एंड लंग कैविटी इज गेटिंग स्ट्रेच्ड एंड द वर्किंग ऑफ देम इज गेटिंग बेटर. ऑटोमेटिकली आपका इम्यूनिटी रेज हो रहा है. हमने कुछ अलग से करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. या सेंटर एंड जस्ट गो. सो नाउ टेक माय राइट नी टू द लेफ्ट हील. नीचे की तरफ दबाइए. गर्दन ऑपोजिट ले जा सकते हैं आप और शोल्डर्स नीचे. इंपॉर्टेंट टू पुट योर शोल्डर्स डाउन. शोल्डर्स आर डाउन. ऑलराइट, सेंटर. ओके, so let's just relax now. Time for relaxation. Just relax. Coming to Shavasana. While you come to Shavasana, it's not only relaxation for the body, it's also for your mind. My mind, my thoughts need relaxation too. So my breath needs relaxation. So for Shavasana, this is a relaxing pose. बट आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि इसमें अपने थॉट्स को भी रिलैक्स करना है हमने. द फ्लो ऑफ थॉट्स नीड्स टू बी रिलैक्स्ड. जस्ट वॉच व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन, अपने साथ अपनी बॉडी को एनालाइज करिए. जस्ट स्टे इन inside your body, bring all your thoughts, connect to your body, see what's happening right from the toe to the crown. toes को देख रहे हैं, calves को, knees को, thigh को, कहीं पे कैसा sensation है, are you sweating? Just be mindful. Watch yourself from toe to your head. मेरा hip relaxed है, spine ऊपर है कि नीचे है, shoulders ऊपर है कि नीचे है, chin relaxed है, face के expressions कैसे हैं. Be mindful, be aware. Alright, let's just turn to from your left. You can turn and come up. Come up. And let's come for breathing exercise. We are coming for a breathing tool. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Sitting straight upright. Those who have problem sitting can take support. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन प्लेस, अगर आपकी पीठ आपको लगता है सीधी नहीं है, चेस्ट आउट करिए, शोल्डर्स को हल्का सा पीछे को रोल बैक करके नीचे लेके जाइए. प्लेसिंग अ कुशन beneath the hip. Alright, that's the best way to just stretch your spine. पीठ सीधी होनी important है for the the perfect flow of breath. Otherwise, if our chest is sinking, chest is not open, the spine is not straight, so the abdominal organs and the respiratory organs are also sinking in. They are not fully expanded, right? So Anulom Vilom, few repetitions करनी है हमने सभी ने मिलके. This is a wonderful breathing tool. We just balance the hot and the cold nerve of the body with this. At the same time, we are giving full oxygen supply to each and every cell to the body. Okay, so let's start with blocking our right nostril. राइट नॉस्ट्रल को राइट थंब से बंद करिए. एल्बो जो ऐसे, अगर ऐसे ऊपर जा रही है तो उसको नीचे को लाइए, रिलैक्स कर दीजिए एल्बो को. एल्बो इज रिलैक्स्ड. एंड माय अदर हैंड कैन बी इन दिस मुद्रा. सो माय लेफ्ट हैंड कैन बी इन दिस ज्ञान मुद्रा, और ऑल्सो इट कैन बी सिंपल स्टेइंग देयर. सो मैंने राइट नॉस्ट्रल को अभी बंद किया है थंब से. लेफ्ट से इनहेल कर रहे हैं. 6 काउंट्स तक कोशिश करते हैं. 1 2 3, keep inhaling from the left nostril. 4 5 6, लंबा ब्रेथ. अब इसको लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रल को इंडेक्स फिंगर से बंद कर दिया मैंने, थंब हटाया राइट थंब नॉस्ट्रल से. एक्सेल 2 3 4 5 6. अगेन इनहेल फ्रॉम द राइट. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ब्लॉक इट. 6 5 4 3 2 1. इनहेल. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Block. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Inhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Exhale. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Inhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Exhale. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Inhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Exhale. 6 5 4 3 2 1. 2 more breaths. Inhale. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Exhale. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Focus on your counts. Focus on the breathing only. 1, last one. 1 2 3 4 5. Pulling in a deeper breath. Let it reach your abdomen, guys. Exhale. 6 5 4 3 2 1. Just relax. Add a smile to your face. Deep breath in. exhale. One more deep breath in, and we will hold the breath for 30 counts. Chali, let's start. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Release. So for those who are finding hard to hold the breath for so long, this is called, why do we hold the breath? Because अब हमारी lungs के अंदर हमने ऑक्सीजन को रोका हुआ है, उसको expansion का मौका दे रहे हैं. Alright? So आपने जितनी देर इसको रोका है, हमारी lungs का function हम enhance कर रहे हैं. पर जो लोगों को high BP है, they could of course take it easy. Always do not get too deep into breath holdings, and also those who were not able to hold for 30 seconds at a go, they can just leave it and just restart it. Alright? Okay. So let's close the session. Thank you so much, Pulkit Jainji. Alright, that's wonderful that you came to know. Any more questions, you could come up. Let's just sit straight again. वही हमारा एक check point रहता है, सीधा बैठे हैं कि नहीं, spine सीधी है. We will end the session with Om and Shanti. Take deep breath in. 3 times of Om. Inhale. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rubbing both our hands together. आंखें बंद हैं अभी आपकी. Rubbing both our hands together. Placing the hands on the chest and affirming to yourself that I am strong and healthy. I have a good immunity. My chest, nose, throat, lungs all are clear. Yes, the smile has to be there, guys. Add the smile there. And I'm thanking the superpower. I'm thanking the Almighty for blessing me with this beautiful body. I'm taking good care with exercise and with proper diet. I'm bringing the best form of me during this phase. At the same time, I am sure that my guiding light is protecting me, and I am divinely blessed, I am divinely grateful, and there is a protective shield of light around me. So with these affirmations, you could just open your eyes and thank you so much. Give a clap to yourself. You guys have been wonderful. Any questions, please come forward for any of your questions. You could just type in there. You guys are wonderful. Thanks for your time. You have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you again Thursday. Any questions? Thank you. Bye-bye.